Another nice day in North Carolina. That's Grim Reaper 420. Check his channel out. That's my son. And we decided to clean the yard up. I think it's like 92 degrees. So humid. You can, well, it's not that humid where you can't breathe, but it's pretty close to stick. You never know if something might hit you. Cleaning up this mess. Dogs tear up a lot of stuff. In fact, all the trash you see, the dogs did tear it up in the yard. I have to clean it up a lot, at least once a month. So the pups are getting huge. That's Mia. Mia's been fixed. That's Siren. She's a very pretty dog.
Still spitting grass out.
It might be clogged underneath.
I'm gonna bang it on this side. Oh damn.
So we figured it out. We might better put some oil in the lawnmower before we go on.
Uh-oh.
You have to wipe that off good. But me and my son's gonna do it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Well, I fixed the lawnmower today. Had to figure it out. It's the first time I ever fixed a lawnmower, but I figured it out. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. It's been a hot day today. Hot, humid. They even got a heat advisory out yesterday and today. I hope y'all enjoyed my little day. Check out Oh My Gosh TV channel. He's got some great videos. Like and subscribe to his channel. Like and subscribe to my channel. And the Grim Reaper 420. Go check his channel out. It's pretty cool. Love you guys. Bye.